Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your fingerprint sensor not working on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! So, our fingerprint sensor on the Redmi Note 9 Pro is located here at the power button, and what we want to do is we want to simply just clean it with some sort of microfiber cloth. For example, I have like this, something here, and I will just give it a nice rub, because there is a very high chance that this is just dirty. Maybe you also have some sort of dust here or other debris. It's pretty hard to tell. And there is a pretty high chance that you've already done that. And what you can do next? Well, most likely the issue is not that the fingerprint sensor isn't working, it's usually the fact that the finger is not working. Let me explain. Basically, when you have originally for example, set up your thumb or other finger as a fingerprint unlock, it might have changed. Your finger might have changed and whatever, and basically, well, okay, this intro is pointless. What you want to do is you want to scroll down, head into passwords and security, head into fingerprint unlock, draw our current pattern, and simply re-register your finger. So I have my HardReset's Epic finger here. I don't really have to remove it, that's a very nice ability. Instead, I will just register it once again. So I will just do this, and I will register the finger I have right here. I will take the phone just a little bit. Now, usually you probably want to register your thumb. I'm going to register my middle finger, just because I find it pretty convenient. And let's keep going. So we are almost there. Now we want to move our finger slightly and we want to continue. And in a very short moment we should be able to finish the setup. And boom! So now we can name it, like, I don't know, another try or whatever. And now, technically speaking, you should be able to have two fingers at the same time marked as two different fingerprints. I think so. I'm not entirely sure if the phone will break. Likely not. But anyway, with that, we should now be able to unlock our phone with, well, in my case, my middle finger, which works without any issues. Now, if the re-registering your fingerprint does not help, I would simply advise you to also check for software updates, which is unfortunate since the phone is pretty old now. I'm recording this video in 2025, so the Redmi Note 9 Pro hasn't received an update since, I believe, like 4 years. Yeah, the last security update was 4 years ago, so yeah, that's a shame. And also you can just reboot your device by simply pressing and holding the power button and clicking reboot. Technically speaking, I don't really think this should help, but generally speaking, like, rebooting your phone helps a lot of issues and fixes a lot of issues. So, yeah. And I think that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.